Swiss Air Rail. Faster and more conveniently to your destination. Are you planning a flight and want to reach your destination as quickly and comfortably as possible? In collaboration with SBB, we offer Swiss Air Rail, a first-class mobility network that takes you directly to and from your flight several times a day from selected train stations. Book Swiss Air Rail easily in conjunction with a Swiss flight on Swiss.com or at your travel agency. Select the station of your choice as departure or destination and book your whole journey with Swiss. Book your entire journey in just one step, check in only once, and receive all your flight and train tickets directly from Swiss. Swiss Business and Swiss First guests also automatically travel in first class on the train. If your train or flight is delayed, our connection guarantee allows us to easily rebook you on a later connection. By the way, thanks to flexible ticket conditions, you can customize your train journey and, for example, arrive at the airport earlier if you wish. You can drop off your luggage upon arrival at the airport. When you land at the airport and continue your journey by train, remember to collect your luggage at the baggage claim. Alternatively, you can also use our luggage delivery service for an additional fee to facilitate a more convenient arrival or departure. We wish you a pleasant journey by train and flight. For further information, please visit swiss.com/airrail.